Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Hey there, camera addicts and tech adventurers. Today, we're diving into jaw-dropping rumors, speculative specs, and next-level hype around the upcoming Sony A7V. Think sensor breakthrough. Insane stabilization, insane video chops, and cutting-edge autofocus, all set to shake up full-frame mirrorless. Strap in, plug in, and let's decode what might be the most disruptive Sony release yet. Why this could be huge. Sony's A7 line has been a powerhouse ever since the A7 III in 2018, a budget-friendly full-frame that redefined mirrorless in its era. Fast forward to 2021's A7 IV, pumping resolution, better AF, and serious hybrid power, but with a heftier price tag. Now, mid-2025 buzz points to a successor, the A7V, and the rumor train is rolling fast. Confirmed code means it's real. A recently discovered model code, WW084220, registered in May 2025, signals genuine production underway. This isn't wishful thinking. It's legit. Sony fans are buzzing, and pre-launch speculation is firing on all cylinders. Pricing and global costs: expect sticker shock. US pre-orders reportedly aim between $2,799 to $2,999 for the body only, leapfrogging the A7 IV's launch price. And that's before you add VAT, customs, or local surcharges, especially in markets like India, where duties can inflate the actual cost significantly. Sensor dilemma: 44MP versus 33MP. Two prevailing theories are circulating. A 44-megapixel Sigma, offering ultra-detailed stills, insane cropping flexibility, and prosumer firepower. A 33-megapixel stacked CMOS, engineered for speed, ultra-fast readout, incredible burst, and seriously low-light performance. Maximum resolution or high-speed processing. Either path could define the camera's strongest identities: hybrid heavy hitter or fast-action ninja. Bay XR processor plus AI autofocus. The A7V is tipped to bundle Sony's powerful Bay XR image processor. Pair that with an enhanced AI-driven real-time autofocus system, and you've got tracking that promises to chase faces, animal eyes, and even fast-moving motors with laser precision. Think next-level glitch resistance, even in low-contrast or backlit chaos. Video skills and cinematic power: 4K 16-bit RAW output capability, with full support for S-Log 3, S-Tone, and HDR grading modes, exacting color depth and cinematic latitude are right in your pocket. Massive creative control in post, though. If Sony skips 6K RAW or full-frame 4K at 60 frames per second, some creators may feel left behind by 2025 standards. In-body stabilization and hybrid workflow confirmed, a 5-axis, 8-stop IBIS system. If Sony nails it, handheld footage, whether you're running, biking, or crafting an urban vlog, could look shockingly smooth. Combine that with dual slots, and you've got a robust workflow for high bitrate video and stills, without needing to swap cards mid-shoot. Ergonomics and build quality: no major redesign expected. This is still A7 family: robust body, comfortable grip, weather sealing, and the customizable button layout pros love. It feels like Sony's staying in their comfort zone, but if it ain't broke, the final verdict: next-gen processing, cutting-edge stabilization, strong video specs, and versatility for hybrid shooters. Possible trade-off between resolution versus speed, price creeping higher, and absence of flagship video frame rates like 4K 60p or 6K RAW. Your decision hinges on your shooting style. Are you craving ultra-detailed stills or video flexibility with fluid autofocus? The A7V is shaping up to offer either extreme, maybe even both, but at a steeper price than ever.